Hi everyone, and welcome to a new nail art tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create this soft and dreamy nail design. I'm applying a soft milky yellow color as the base for this design. I really like using lighter shades like this because they create a soft and natural look, especially underneath brighter colors. I'm applying the polish in thin, even layers to keep the surface smooth and prevent the color from becoming too thick. In total, I applied 2 coats of this color. For this design, I'm using a special nail art sponge. A sponge like this helps create a very soft and blended color transition, which is perfect for ombre style designs like this one. I'm applying a bright orange color onto the sponge. This is the part that I want to appear orange on the nails. By placing the color directly onto the sponge, I can control exactly where the ombre effect will be the strongest. By also applying the milky yellow base color onto the sponge, the transition between the colors becomes much softer and more seamless. This helps create a smoother ombre effect without any harsh lines between the yellow and orange shades. Gently dab the sponge onto the nail using only a small amount of pressure. If you press too hard, the color can become too solid and you may lose the soft blended effect. Slowly building up the color in light layers will give the design a much softer effect. Before applying another layer with the sponge, I'm adding a fresh layer of polish onto the sponge first. This keeps the colors vibrant and helps the ombre effect stay soft and even on the nails. Apply the sponge onto the nail once again. You'll notice that the colors will start to look much brighter and more vibrant after this second layer. Building up the color gradually also helps create a smoother and more blended finish. For this design, I'm using a special effect technique. To create it, I'm working with the cat eye gel polish together with this magnet. I used a holographic cat eye gel polish for this design. This gives the nails an extra special effect, especially when they catch the sunlight. The shimmer and reflective particles create a beautiful glowing look that changes depending on the angle and lighting. Now it's time for the special effect using the magnet. By holding the magnet close to the cat eye gel polish, the shimmer particles will move and create a beautiful glowing pattern on the nail. This magnet creates a soft waving flower-like effect inside the cat eye polish. Make sure not to touch the nail with the magnet while creating the effect. Holding the magnet just above the nail is enough to move the shimmer particles without disturbing the polish underneath. To protect the design, I'm applying a layer of top coat. This seals everything in place and gives the nails a beautiful glossy finish. It's the final step that brings the entire design together. And here's the finished result. The soft ombre transition combined with the holographic cat eye effect creates a beautiful glowing look, especially when the nails catch the light. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this design or any of the techniques I used, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will see you again in the next video.